Hello everyone, my name is Sam Rouse and I'm the Adult and Teen Services Programmer at the Fort Thomas branch of the Campbell County Library. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a watercolor type design on a quote or a drawing. It's up to you which you would rather do. You're going to be using simple items that you may have laying around the house. So what you're going to need to gather for this craft are a couple of different color Crayola markers. You could do 2 to 3, that would be fine. You're going to need a gallon Ziploc bag. You will need a piece of regular printer paper. You can either print a quote on it or you can draw on it. It's up to you what you would rather do. You're also going to need a spray bottle with water and some paper towels because it could get a little bit messy. So I hope that you all really enjoy this tutorial, and I hope that everyone is staying safe and healthy at home.